Good morning, children. Now we are going to see 6th standard English. Now let us see the book exercises for the poem. Okay. See page number 82 and 83. Okay. First let us see the meanings. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Dusty, covered with tiny bits of sand. Heat, warmness. Leap, to jump high. Muddy, dirty. Seat. In this poem, meaning is place. Sunny, cheerful. Toad, a small brown animal similar to a frog. We can say a small frog. Okay. Then, which season am I? Read the poem, understand and solve the riddle. I make the feet dusty. Answer is summer. Second one, frogs and toads will visit when I am there, which is rainy. Third one, I am pretty short and sweet. Answer is spring. Fourth one, I make your garden smell sweet. Answer is spring. Fifth one, leaves will wither because of me. It is autumn. Okay. Copy down the answers in your book itself. Then, read the lines and answer the questions given below. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Does the poet welcome the summer? How do you know? Answer. Yes, the poet welcomes the summer because she says that summer comes with the sunny smiles, making people cheerful. Second one, which line tells you that there is no rain in summer? Sunny smiles and dusty feet tells us that there is no rain in summer. Okay. Then second one, spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Question A, how does the poet describe the spring season? The poet describes the spring season as pretty, short and sweet. Question B, which line tells you that the garden is fresh? Answer, the line when you can smell the grass from your garden seat tells us that the garden is fresh. C, who do you refer to? You refers to the reader. Third one, autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. Question A, how is autumn in India? Answer, whenever the leaves fall down, it is autumn in India. B, compare the English autumn with the Indian autumn. Answer, the leaves are beautiful with red, yellow and brown colors and the poet considers this to be English autumn. Whenever the leaves fall down, it is Indian autumn. Okay. Then pick out the rhyming words. Heat, feet. Roads, toads. Sweet, seat. Brown, down. Then find the examples of alliteration. In a blaze of heat with sunny smiles. Sunny, alliteration is smile. Yes. Okay. First letter. Two muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes. Monsoons, mangoes. Yum, yum. Spring is pretty but short and sweet. Answer is short, sweet. Yes, yes. Then, find the answers for the questions. Name the seasons mentioned in the poem. Answer is, the seasons mentioned in the poem are summer, spring, rainy and autumn. Second one, what does the summer bring? The summer brings sunny smiles and dusty feet. Third one, which word refers to rain? The word monsoon refers to rain. Fourth one, why does the poet say the spring is pretty? The spring is pretty because we can smell the freshness of grass from our garden. Fifth one, when is it autumn in India? Why does the poet say this? Is there an autumn season in India? Answer, when the leaves fall down, it is autumn in India. The poet says this because in India, leaves rarely change colors. Only when the trees shed their leaves, we know that it is autumn in India. Yes, there is autumn season in India during the months of September, October and November. For the one words, you copy down the answers in your book and for the question answers, you take your classwork note and write neatly. Okay children, you write the classwork and send it through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.